friends, welcome to my channel. I'm so happy that you are here with us today. My name is Sky. I am the owner of our online home decor shop called House Holm, and of course I run our YouTube channel. So today we are bringing you a really fun DIY. It is a faux brick wall that we are going to do the German schmear technique on. So I'm standing here by our fireplace. This is real brick. And we did this about 3 years ago after we moved into this home. So we live in a fixer-upper if you're new around here. So we're always doing house projects and bringing you guys along on that. So this project was done way before our YouTube channel was created. So we thought that we would go ahead and do a little faux brick wall in our laundry room. Now, I will say this is the first project in a really long time that was not my idea. So my husband gets to take the credit for this one. He is the reason why that tool bag is making an appearance this weekend. Usually I'm the one with the honey-do list, as many of you know, but this is all his idea and I think it's gonna be amazing. So I'm really happy to have you guys here and to kind of show you the process and of course decorate with me at the end. So yeah, I can't wait to see how it all comes together. Today's video is a collab with my sweet friend, Jess Giffin. She is a mama of 2. She is a brand new baby girl, and her channel is full of all things motherhood, cleaning, cooking, organizing, and decorating. You are going to love her. She shares all the behind the scenes of being a mama and keeping up her home, which is gorgeous, by the way. She is also doing a really fun DIY today, so make sure you hop on over to her channel as soon as this video is over. I've got it linked in the description below.
So before we get started, I thought it would be fun to share a picture of when we bought our house. So this is what it looked like right when we moved in, and it was just really outdated. I've got my little helper, Luca, vacuuming up the floors before we get started. So this is what we're working with. This is what our laundry room looked like right before we added the brick. And here's Chad just working on measuring everything. We've got lots of little helpers this morning. So the first section is in place. And these boards were so affordable. We got them at Lowe's. They were only $30 a board, and we only needed 2 for this space.
Chad's making some pretty good progress. This is the adhesive that he used behind the brick, and then he is just going in with his nail gun and nailing it to the wall. Anything else you want to share?
That is it.
He's tired. But we've got this first section up here and everything up top. He just got to go ahead and put that piece on.
They're all cut.
They're all cut. Yep.
Coming off of 2 big shiplap projects, I feel like this went up way faster than I was prepared for. Chad was just working so fast and got it up within the first hour and a half of the day. Now he's just going through and adding some diluted white paint to the bricks just to kind of start the whitewashing process, and then he's going to go in with the mortar afterwards and kind of just smear that on top.
Oh my goodness. I'm like way too short. Okay. So oh man. Okay.
So the wall is finished. We decided we're going to go ahead and let it dry, and Chad is going to go through with his electric sander and just expose a tiny bit more of the red. These curtains I got from Target. I'm so excited. They just arrived in the mail, and I think they're going to be so pretty in the laundry room. I also got these little clips to go with the black curtain rod, and this super cute tray that I'm going to put on my washer and dryer. It is the Threshold brand from Target.
So I totally have more decorating to do, and I'm gonna go ahead and finish this space, but I just need to say right now that if you are in need of curtains, run to Target. Run to the app, order them like I did. I ordered them online. They were delivered to my door in just a couple of days. These curtains are my favorite in our house right now. I love them so much. I wanted something that was kind of sheer, that would let a lot of light in, but still give us some privacy. And because our 3-year-old pulled the blinds down and broke them, he was just being a little rough. Like a month ago, we haven't had any coverage here, and this is the front of our house. So the sidewalk to the front of our house is like right here. So anytime we get a package delivery, which is like at least once a day, or the neighbors are pulling in and out of the cul-de-sac, like they can see right into our house, because this walkway opens up to where we eat. That's like our kitchen table, and the kids are always like running back and forth in this hallway. And then we have a bathroom like right here, and 9 times out of 10 my toddlers come out of the bathroom without clothes on. So I knew that we needed to figure something out, and I really didn't want to do blinds again, just obviously because my son ripped them out of the wall, and 2, because it's just not like my favorite look aesthetically. So I like cannot wait to show you a close-up of these curtains. They're so beautiful, so whimsical, so delicate, and so perfect for this space. The laundry room is finally finished. I am so excited to share this big reveal with you guys. Chad just killed it with the faux brick wall. I think it looks so beautiful, and I'm so happy with how it turned out. I think it just adds so much character to our laundry room, and it was so inexpensive and literally only took 1 day. So I am just gonna give you guys a little mini tour, and I hope you love it. Let me know in the comments below, but let's go check it out. Okay, here we go. I think it turned out so beautiful. I love it so much. I love the character and the German schmear technique. It is just so gorgeous. And yes, we do have popcorn ceilings that we need to tackle next. But I love, love, love how this turned out. We did go ahead and decide to paint the shelf and the rod white. I just felt like there was too much going on when it was like the natural wood color, so I think that was definitely a good move to go ahead and do that. But it really just turned out so beautifully, and eventually we want to swap out these washer and dryer with like a front load, and then build a big shelf that would go up here, like a big pretty white shelf. But not right now. Someday, in the hopefully somewhat near future. These are just base model washer and dryers we got when we moved into our last house. So they are definitely showing some wear. But here is the little tray that I got from Target, and I think it's perfect in here. It's so cute. I added just a little picture and a plant, and then just this little hand towel. I think it is so precious. And then moving on to the curtains, you guys know that I am obsessed with these. I think they are so perfect for this space. And I thought I'd give you a little close-up just to show you they are pretty sheer, but they also still offer plenty of privacy while giving us some nice natural sunlight. So you can see that little lace detail. I think it is so pretty. I honestly wasn't sure how I was gonna love these, and I'm totally obsessed. And also these little clips. I love to hang curtains with these little metal clips. I think they're so cute and add just a little bit of texture and a little pop of color, especially if you're going with a neutral curtain. So the clips and the rod are from Amazon, and I will definitely link those for you guys. And then moving on over here, we have just got the little cart from IKEA. I love this little utility cart. I'm just using it to store all of my thieves cleaner and thieves products, and then also just some little plants. I thought it'd be cute to add some pops of color. And then of course our laundry basket, which I promise is only empty because I just shoved everything in the washer for this video so you guys could see a nice clean reveal, but we do live here, I promise. And yeah, these peg rails I shared in our Amazon favorites home decor haul. If you have not seen that video, pause this one and go check it out. It is so good. There's so many good finds on there. But I'm just loving all of the little details and all of the different textures and colors. This market bag is one of my favorites from our shop, House Holm. It is just so delicate and cute, perfect for the park, like having a picnic or going to the farmer's market or even the grocery store if you just need to run in for a couple of things. I also am obsessed with our little hanging basket. It is just so cute, and you can put any plant in there and it looks good. And of course, just a little pop of spring. Gosh, almost summer. It's crazy how time is flying during this quarantine. But yeah, the other thing that we did was I wanted to add just a little bit to the walls here, so I went ahead and just hung this frame that we already had, and I thought that would be perfect just to add a little personal touch and just to fill that space. I love the little black accents. I think that everything just ties in so perfectly. This is back in the day before I was wearing glasses and we had 2 little ones. Now we've got 3. It's crazy how time flies. But let me give you guys just a little close-up here and just show you it really turned out so beautifully. Okay friends, that is all for today's video. I hope that you really enjoyed it and that it gives you some ideas for how you can spruce up your laundry room on a budget. And really, you could do one of these faux brick walls in any parts of your home. It makes for the perfect little accent wall that just adds a little touch of character. This entire project, including all of the decorating, only cost us about $185, which is amazing. The wall itself with all of the supplies was about $85, and then I spent about $100 on the curtains and the curtain rod and the little clips and then this tray. So overall, this was a very inexpensive, totally doable weekend project. I look forward to chatting with you guys in the comments. Please leave me a comment and let me know what you thought of today's video. It truly brightens my day reading all of your kind words, and I look forward to next time. Make sure that you hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you loved it.